I'm Wesley Horscroft and I'm head of Academies. That means all the sports academies in the college and all the arts academies. You're a student first and then you go on to an academy as well. It's your passion. So universities, I think, are looking for experience as well as the academic subject. Lots of people turn up with academic grades, but if you've got experience and you've got knowledge beyond that, you are really setting yourself ahead of the next student. Because the college is really academic and the rugby is very strong, we give an opportunity for these rugby and academic students to come somewhere that isn't one of the top private schools and still get really high level of sport and academics alongside. About 18 months ago we became national champions within the AOC League. We've formed a relationship with Ealing Rugby Club, Ealing Trailfinders, and they help fund our programme and give us university scholarships, and it's really grown into something really strong.
I found playing rugby or becoming part of an academy especially, it's going to really help you grow into the college and the atmosphere, and you're going to really improve your social skills and just going to have a really good time there.
I really love playing netball. I really loved playing netball in secondary school, but when it got to my old sixth form, they didn't have enough people to do the netball team, whereas at Newman they love sports. They're really enthusiastic about it. They've got loads of different academies, but netball in particular is the one for me. The netball coach, Danielle, she is such a lovely lady. She works so hard to get everyone to really develop all of their skills. Obviously we get free kit as part of the netball academy. We do lots of matches. We train at King Alfred twice a week as well, which is really good. We've got a gym session at the gym here. It's a really lovely atmosphere. Everyone's really friendly. It's really nice to meet people across loads of different subjects as well, because everyone takes different subjects. You get people that take PE, people that take textiles, people that take sciences, obviously people that take maths. It's just a really nice way of meeting new people, but also keeping up your fitness as well, which is really good.
Textiles and graphic communication both fall within the Arts Academy umbrella. So what that means is that in addition to your lessons for those particular subjects, we would also have lessons with some of the students and some of the teachers who are studying arts, drama, music, the subjects like that, dance for example. And the idea behind that is to try and create a really strong interdisciplinary kind of atmosphere where you feel confident taking your skills and kind of going beyond the subject that you've chosen to take. And we often find that students really like that because they have these interests, these passions, these skills, and you never want to constrain students. You want to give them an opportunity to foster these skills across as wide a range of the subjects as possible.
So what we've found is by participating in the workshops and events that we've been running, students have been much more confident when they're applying to, for example, the Art Foundation course, which is the one-year course you can do after the A-level. And so when they go to interviews, they've got a lot more to talk about. It gives them a much better view of the world and where their position will be as a visual artist in the world. It's also encouraged some of our students to apply straight to university or to even set up on their own and establish their own business, photographic or arts businesses. So it really does encourage confidence in our students, which we really love to see.
The Newman Dance Academy is brand new for this year, for 2020, and the purpose of it is to give students professional dance training and experiences alongside their academic A-level studies. So we have 2 blocks a week, one on a Wednesday afternoon and one on a Friday morning, and we study different techniques. So the students might do a contemporary dance technique class, a ballet and body conditioning class, and then maybe some West End musical theatre and commercial jazz. But they also get workshops with professional dancers that come into the college who are local to Brighton, and they get to have the experience of working with that particular company. There's also post-16 opportunities in dance, so if students want to specialise and go into a dance school, we give them audition preparation and interview practice for the type of questions they might get if they were going to a dance school, as well as taster days at dance conservatoires. So we might go up to somewhere like Erdang in London and do a taster day and have a tour of the school.
It's good to have dance in my timetable because it gives me like a break from all the essay writing, and even if it's just like an hour, 2 hours a day, and like you get your exercise done as well.
The Music Academy is our new programme that enhances everything that we're offering in terms of the A-level and the BTEC and music. So on top of that, we're able to offer regular bands and a chamber choir. We also have masterclasses and things like mixing and with visiting musicians coming in. Beyond that, we're also offering students the opportunity to learn an instrument free of charge, so it's a really exciting opportunity for them.
We really care about our students here at Newman College, and we give lots of opportunities for you to develop your skills in whatever area you particularly choose. So whether it's acting or directing or design skills, we are there to be flexible and to really help you to take the career path that you want to do afterwards.
I do drama, and the Year 13s have helped me expand on my skills, and it's just been a great thing because they share their knowledge of what it's like in Year 13.
Here at Newman, because you've got the Athletics Academy, you've got the Rugby Academy, you've got the Football Academy, you've got everything to enhance your practical performance, and it also gives you an understanding of the training programmes. Throughout the Athletics Academy, I also do talks on nutrition, and I do a talk on, today we're doing a talk on psychology within athletics. And so you get the other components that will enhance your course, which other sixth form colleges may not give you.
Maths Academy, that was our first academy, and that was based on our fantastic maths results where we're in the top 1% of the country. And students in the Maths Academy get extra time and they get a link with Sussex University.
The heart of the Maths Academy is the students that study further maths, because they are trying to do 2 A-levels in maths over the 2 years, whereas normally people only do 1 A-level in maths over the 2 years. They're a special group of students that have their own form because they're going to take their A-level at the end of Year 12, so they're on a slightly different journey to all the other Year 12s. They sort of have to become a Year 13 by sort of halfway through Year 12, and then they take their A-level at the end of Year 12, and that puts them in a sort of a uniquely advantageous situation to apply to Oxbridge, other good Russell Group universities, because instead of just having predictions, they actually have an A-level. And we study additional courses, something called the Advanced Extension Award in Maths as well, that they can take. And that is sort of at the heart of the Maths Academy, but everyone else who is on Maths A-level or AS level is part of it. And in normal times, we have sort of competitions, get-togethers, where we do maths in a fun environment. It's a way of me sneaking in a test, but making it fun and having, I don't know, snacks or drinks while we do it. So they do loads of maths and enjoy it without kind of knowing they're doing it. The further maths class typically gets sort of 20 to 30% of the class go to Oxford or Cambridge to study maths. So we have a really good track record of that, and we have strong links with Oxford University for that. So in every year in Oxford, there is one of my students studying maths in one of those year groups that came to Newman.
The Academies enable students to go on to university or to a career having experienced their interest at a much higher level.